SQL cheat sheet. Master the essential SQL commands for queries, joins, window functions, and database performance. Select is the most common SQL command. Use specific column names instead of star in production to reduce bandwidth. Distinct removes duplicate rows from results. Use order by with ASC or desk to sort results, and limit with offset for pagination. Insert adds new rows, update modifies existing ones, and delete removes rows. Always include a where clause with update and delete. Without where, the command affects every row in the table. This is the most dangerous mistake in SQL. Joins combine rows from multiple tables. Inner join returns only matching rows from both tables. Left join returns all rows from the left table plus matching rows from the right. Use left join when you want to see all items even if they have no match, like users without orders. Aggregation functions summarize data across rows. Count, AVG, MIN, max, and some work with group by to create summaries per group. Use having to filter groups after aggregation. Remember that where filters individual rows, but having filters the grouped results. CTEs, or common table expressions, make complex queries readable by breaking them into named steps. They start with the with keyword and can reference each other. CTEs are like temporary variables for your query. Use them instead of nested subqueries for cleaner code. Window functions perform calculations across related rows without collapsing them into groups. Row_number assigns a unique number within each partition. Running totals use sum with over and order by. Window functions are essential for ranking, top-end queries, and trend analysis. Create table defines your schema with columns, types, and constraints. Use not null for required fields, unique for columns that must be distinct, and check for validation rules. Foreign keys with on-delete cascade automatically clean up related rows when a parent is deleted. Indexes speed up queries by creating a sorted lookup structure. Add indexes on columns used in where, join, and order by clauses. Composite indexes cover queries that filter on multiple columns. Use explain analyze to check if your queries actually use the indexes. Transactions group multiple statements into one atomic operation. If any statement fails, rollback undoes all changes. This prevents partial updates that leave data in a broken state. Use case expressions to add conditional logic directly inside your queries. String functions handle text manipulation in SQL. Use concat or the pipe operator to join strings. Coalesce returns the first non-null value, which is great for defaults. Nullif returns null if two values are equal, useful for avoiding division by zero errors. Date functions vary between databases, but the concepts are the same. Use now or current underscore timestamp for the current time. Date underscore trunc groups dates by year, month, or day for time series analysis. Always store dates in UTC and convert to local time only for display. Here are common SQL mistakes to avoid. Never run update or delete without where in production. Avoid select star because it wastes bandwidth. Always add indexes on join columns to prevent full table scans. Use parameterized queries to prevent SQL injection attacks. Quick SQL tips. Use upsert or insert on conflict to handle duplicates cleanly. Add meaningful column aliases with AS to make results easier to read. Use exists instead of IN for better performance with large subqueries. Always test queries on a small dataset first. Views are saved queries that act like virtual tables. They simplify complex joins and keep your application code clean. Use create view to define them and query them just like regular tables. Materialized views store the result physically for faster reads, but need periodic refreshing. Alter table modifies existing table structure. Add new columns with add column. Change types with alter column. And rename with rename. Be careful with drop column in production because it permanently removes data. Always make a backup before running schema changes. That's the SQL cheat sheet. Check the blog post linked below for the full written version with more examples. See you in the next video.